to install Eclipse in Windows operating system. First, before going to install Eclipse, first we need to install Java JDK. Already we installed Java JDK in my system, so that is the reason directly I go with Eclipse. So first, this is a setup file of Eclipse. Double click on this setup file, and whenever you install Eclipse, must and should you have an internet connection. This is a setup file. This is not an extractor. So this is a Eclipse installer. You will get it. So here we have a different environments it will be created. So Eclipse IDE for Java developers. This is only for standalone applications it will be developed, and Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. So by this we can develop standalone application as well as web applications. So this is related to C and C++. So first we need to go with a Java web application, so that is the reason I need to go with an Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. Click on that and click on install. So this installation will take some time. Whenever you have an internet, high speed internet, it will be do the within a fraction of seconds. If you have a slow internet connection, it will take some time. And here we need to accept the license terms. Accept. So installation completed successfully. Then click on launch. So automatically Eclipse shortcut will be created on the desktop. So this is a workspace area in our system. So click on launch. So this is our first welcome of Eclipse page. So don't show to always. So there is an untick and close the welcome. So this is a project explorer. Here we can create the projects. How to create a project we will see. File, new. What type of project you want to create? Maven project or enterprise application project, dynamic web application or normal applications, whatever the type of application you want to create. I can go with a dynamic web project. So here I am giving a project name. For an example, my project name is given as Sandy Products. So target runtime, we need to create a server in our local area. So presently we don't have any server, so that is the reason we will go with manually. Okay, then dynamic web project module I will set as a 2.5. so whenever you set as a 2.5 you will get web.xml file. Click on next. This will be created as src area, then click on next. So here automatically web.xml page will be generated automatically, and click on finish. So in project explorer we will get a project. So we need to add server to this Eclipse ID. So what type of server we need to add? Apache Tomcat. So go here, server. If it is not available server here, you can go with Windows, show view, and here you can find out server. If it is not available also here, you can go with other. So then go down here, you can find out a server, then select server directly, servers, open. So this area will be open. No servers are available presently, so that is the reason. Click to add a new server. Click here to add this. Click what type of server you want to add. Apache. Which version of server you want to add? If you want to add 7 or 9. Presently I installed 9, so I need to select 9, then click on next. So Tomcat and installation directory, where you are installed your Tomcat server, you need to locate that. Click on browse, go to this PC, in C programs, program files, Apache Software Foundation. In my system I have a 2 servers, so presently I selected as a Tomcat 9.0, so that is the reason Tomcat 9.0 is selected. Click on OK. So installation area is shown to the Eclipse, then click on next, finish. Automatically server is added here. So this way we can create the project and add the server. Thank you. Have a nice day.